Passive Income Apps for Beginners 2026. If you've been searching for the best passive income apps for beginners in 2026 and wondering whether it's actually possible to make money online from your phone without complicated skills, expensive ads, or working all day, this video is exactly for you. Because right now, there are beginners using passive income apps, AI tools, affiliate marketing systems, and faceless content to generate income streams directly from their phones. And honestly, this is becoming one of the biggest opportunities online because technology and AI are making it easier than ever for beginners to start. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how passive income apps for beginners work, how people are using short-form content and affiliate marketing together, and the exact business-in-a-box system helping beginners shortcut the learning curve in 2026. And make sure you stay until the end because I'm also going to explain how the automation works, how beginners are posting content consistently without burnout, and why this is one of the lowest barrier online opportunities right now. Now, before we continue, if you want instant access to the exact passive income system, AI tools, Faceless Reels library, and training I'm talking about in this video, click the link in the first pinned comment below. That's where you can get instant access today. And also subscribe right now because this channel is all about passive income apps, affiliate marketing, AI tools, faceless content, and beginner-friendly ways to make money online in 2026. Now let's get started. So first of all, what are passive income apps for beginners? Passive income apps are tools and platforms that help automate parts of the money-making process online. Now, obviously, nothing is completely passive in the beginning. You still need to set things up and stay consistent, but compared to traditional jobs or businesses, these systems can become much more automated over time. And honestly, one of the easiest beginner-friendly models right now combines short-form content, affiliate marketing, AI automation, and faceless content systems. Why? Because social media attention is exploding. TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels. People are scrolling constantly every single day. And creators who understand how to capture that attention are turning views into affiliate commissions online. Now, the reason this works so well for beginners is because you no longer need a website, coding skills, inventory, shipping, or expensive equipment. The process is actually simple. You post content, people watch your videos. Some viewers click your affiliate links, sales happen, you earn commissions. That's it. And depending on the affiliate offer, some commissions can pay around $200 per sale. Now, one of the biggest mistakes beginners make is trying to create every piece of content from scratch. That's exhausting. That's why most people quit. But inside the system I'm talking about in this video, there's access to over 100,000 ready-to-post faceless reels. That means beginners can start posting content almost immediately without spending hours editing videos. You can customize the content if you want, add captions, tweak hooks, include affiliate links, and start building traffic directly from your phone. And honestly, this is one of the reasons passive income apps for beginners are exploding in 2026. AI and automation are removing many of the barriers that used to stop people from getting started online. Now, if you want access to the same Faceless Reels library and AI tools I'm talking about, check the link in the pinned comment below because that's where you can get instant access today. Now, another huge feature inside the platform is the AI viral hook and script generator. This is important because attention is everything online. If your content does not hook people in the first few seconds, they scroll away immediately. That's why creators spend so much time trying to come up with hooks, captions, and content ideas. But with AI tools, beginners can generate viral hooks, captions, scripts, video ideas, and content angles automatically. That means faster content creation and less burnout. And honestly, people using AI tools right now have a huge advantage because they can create more content consistently. Now let's talk about why short-form content is dominating passive income strategies in 2026. The biggest reason is reach. Platforms like TikTok and YouTube Shorts are still heavily pushing short-form videos. That means even small creators can get views. You do not need millions of followers. You do not need to become some influencer. Even brand new pages can start generating traffic if they post consistently. That's why passive income apps for beginners are becoming such a massive trend right now. Now, another thing I really like about this business model is privacy. A lot of people want to make money online without constantly showing their face or sharing personal details online. Faceless content solves that problem. You can create motivation content, AI videos, finance clips, business edits, quote videos, tutorials, or viral-style reels without attaching your identity. That's why faceless pages are growing so quickly right now. Now, another huge advantage is reposting content across multiple platforms. One video can go on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and Facebook Reels. That means more exposure without creating extra work. More exposure means more opportunities for clicks and commissions. And because you can manage everything directly from your phone, this becomes one of the most beginner-friendly passive income systems available today. Now let's talk about daily workflow, because honestly, this is much simpler than most people think. A beginner workflow could look like this. Log into the dashboard, grab a few ready-made reels, generate hooks or captions with AI, upload content across multiple platforms, add affiliate links, reply to comments, repeat consistently. That's it. Simple consistency over time. And honestly, this business model is one of the lowest barrier online opportunities I've seen for beginners in 2026. No inventory, no shipping, no websites, no coding, no customer service, just content plus affiliate links. Now, another feature included inside the system is automated email swipe templates. This matters because most people don't buy immediately. Usually people need multiple exposures before making a decision. That's why follow-up is so important in affiliate marketing. Having done-for-you email templates already written saves beginners a huge amount of time. Now, if this video is helping you understand passive income apps for beginners better, hit the like button because it helps this video reach more people trying to make money online in 2026. And again, subscribe because I'm going to continue posting tutorials about passive income apps, affiliate marketing, AI content systems, YouTube Shorts, TikTok growth, and beginner-friendly online business ideas. Now, obviously, this is not some overnight success button. You still need patience and consistency. But compared to traditional online business models, passive income apps combined with affiliate marketing and AI-powered faceless content is one of the easiest entry points available in 2026. And honestly, most people fail simply because they never start. They keep researching, they keep watching videos, but they never actually post content consistently. Meanwhile, other people are learning by doing and building momentum every single day. That's why I always tell beginners, do not wait for perfection. Start now, learn as you go, improve with consistency. Now, if you're serious about learning how passive income apps for beginners work and want access to the exact business-in-a-box system, AI tools, faceless Reels library, dashboards, training, landing pages, and automation tools mentioned in this video, click the link in the first pinned comment below right now and get instant access. And once you get inside, leave a comment below this video and let me know, because I always try to help beginners get moving in the right direction. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more passive income app tutorials, AI content strategies, affiliate marketing tips, and make money online videos for beginners in 2026. And I'll see you in the next video.